Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to compare three microphones for you. I'm going to compare the Blue Yeti USB microphone, which is my main microphone on and off. I'm going to compare a Zoom H1 portable recorder, and I'm going to compare a Zoom H1 with a Boya M1 microphone. That's a lapel microphone. So let's get started. In order to make this nice and easy, I'm going to read the same verse from Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven using all three microphones. So let's get started. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered weak and weary over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, tapping at my chamber door. Only this, and nothing more. Now we'll switch over to the Zoom H1 with the Boya M1 lapel microphone. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered weak and weary over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, tapping at my chamber door. Only this and nothing more. And finally I shall remove the lapel mic. And this is now just the Zoom H1 on its own. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered weak and weary over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, tapping at my chamber door. Only this, and nothing more. So just give you a comparison of the price on these. The Boya M1, if you just connected it directly to your mobile or your laptop, would be around £15. The Zoom H1 would be around £100. Obviously that means that the Zoom H1 with the Boya M1 microphone comes in at about £115. And then at around £110 to £120 you have the USB microphone that is the Blue Yeti. I think your content dictates which of these microphones would be better for you, as well as your required placement for it. I'm about maybe 5 or 6 inches away from the Blue microphone and from the Zoom H1, but obviously the lapel mic was literally just sitting under my throat. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.